resistor here. So these are my frequently used resistors. 20 pieces per this is 470 ohms. So for the color coding, we have number 4, yellow. 7 is violet. Then 0, brown. And then the tolerance is silver. So it's 10%. So it's not brown, it's black. Since this is 470 ohms. Yellow, violet, black. For the multiplier. 470 ohms. And then this resistor, 100 kilo ohms. I use this frequently also. For 100 kilo ohms, we have the brown, black, and then yellow. It's color coding. For 1K, we have brown, black, red. Brown is 1, black is 0, and then multiplier is 100. So it's 10 times 100, 1K, 1 kilo ohms. $5.1K. So green, brown, red. Tolerance, gold, which is 10%. This one, we have 10K. This is usually used for pull up, pull down, as a pull up, pull down resistor in a circuit. 10K. 10K, we have brown, black, orange. 4.7K. Yellow, violet, red. And then 220 ohms. Red, red, brown. And then we have 680 ohms. 6 is blue. 8 is gray. Then brown. 0. 270 ohms. 2 red, violet, brown. We're going to test the resistor using the Habo test. Automatic smart multimeter. There's no selector. Just press the on switch. We have now the automatic mode. We can measure AC voltage, direct current voltage, the resistance, and then the continuity. That is the continuity. Or the backlight. And then Let us measure this 470 ohms. In automatic, it is automatically reads the value. 0.48583 kilo ohms. 80. So it's 4.76, 476 kilo ohms, or 47. This is 470 because of the tolerance. 0.476. 1 kilo ohms is 1.97 kilo ohms, 972. So how about using this tester? So this one, see, automatically reads. There's no selector. You just press the power button and you can now test the resistor. Here in CT 102 multimeter, we're going to select ohms to ohms. We're going to use the ohms reading. Again for the value of 1K here, .977 kilo ohms, 78 kilo ohms. And then for the automatic, it's 1 kilo ohms. Let's see. .9656. 0.976, almost the same. While using the Fluke, supposedly a very nice tester. Okay, this is also, it has a selector for the ohms, backlight. What is the value of 1 kilo ohms? Here, using the same resistor, let us see the value. 1K. .982 kilo ohms. So for the 3 tester, this Fluke has a closer value. We obtain the close to 1 kilo ohms, which is 0.98 kilo ohms, or 0.98 1 kilo ohms, almost 1 kilo ohms. This one has I think this is very close to the 1 kilo ohms. The result, the reading of this Fluke is very close to the value 1K. 980 ohms. But the two, we have the Habo test, automatic but less value, also with the CT102, the lesser value, but here it has greater value than the two tester.